In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the About Us page in WordPress. Whether you're building your site for the first time or simply looking to refresh your existing content, updating the About Us page can give your visitors insight into who you are and what your website is all about. Let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to ensure you're logged into your WordPress account. Once there, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. The dashboard is your control center for everything you need to manage your website. On the dashboard, look to the menu on the left-hand side. You'll see an option labeled Pages. Go ahead and click on that. This will bring up a list of all the pages currently on your website. Search through the list until you find the About Us page. If you don't see it right away, don't worry. You can use the search bar at the top right corner to quickly find it by typing About Us. Once you've located your About Us page, click on the title to open it. You'll now be in the WordPress editor. Here, you can make changes to the content of the page. You'll see a visual editor and a text editor, which is handy if you know HTML. For most folks, working in the visual editor will be just fine. If you need to replace old text or update some information, simply click into the text box and start typing. It works a lot like a word processor, so you can change fonts, sizes, or make text bold or italicized. While updating, remember that the About Us page is an opportunity to tell your story. Share your mission, your values, and what makes you or your brand unique. Photos can also add a personal touch, so consider including an image or two. To add an image, click on the Add Media button above the text editor. This will open your media library where you can upload new images or select from existing ones. Once your image is selected, you can insert it into the page, resizing it as needed by clicking on the corners. Before you're done, take a moment to preview your changes. There will be a Preview button at the top of the editor. Clicking this will open a new tab or window showing how your page will look to visitors. If everything looks good, you're ready to publish your changes. Simply click the Update button on the right side of the screen, and your new About Us page will go live immediately. That's all there is to it. Editing your About Us page in WordPress is an excellent way to refresh your site and ensure that visitors have the most up-to-date information about who you are. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful.